Welcome back to our channel, where we try to answer all of your burning questions about your pets. Today we're going to be answering the question, why do hens peck at their own eggs? Now, if you have a backyard flock, you may have noticed one of your hens has developed a nasty habit of destroying her own eggs. In this video, we'll look at why they do it, if there's anything you can do to stop it, and even some interesting facts about the pecking order among your birds. So let's get started. Why do chickens peck at their own eggs? There are a couple of reasons why a hen might peck at her eggs, but in most cases, it comes down to instinct. By nature, hens are foragers, and they will often peck at things that resemble small bugs or other critters scuttling away from them. A small movement like an egg rolling over, or even just the reflection of light hitting it, can trick a hen into thinking they're a tasty morsel of food to be eaten. And since they couldn't tell if the egg is their own or came from another bird in the flock, she'll start pecking away at it. And sometimes she won't even eat the egg, but just keep pecking at it over and over. This is especially true of brown eggs, which have more variation in color than white eggs. The mottled appearance tricks the hen's eye into seeing lots of little bugs or worms inside the egg. And if you have a young chick, they may not understand that the egg is not actually food. They'll peck at it and eventually break the shell, then be very disappointed when they find out there's no treat inside. It's also possible that your hen is laying an egg that she knows is bad or not fully formed and is trying to get rid of it. If the yolk is too big or the egg is developing abnormally, she may not want to sit on it and will peck it out of the nest. Similarly, if the egg has been left in the nesting box for a long time without being incubated, the hen may decide that it's not worth keeping around anymore and destroy it. It could even be that the hen simply doesn't like the location of the nest box and wants to move it. If you notice that the hen is destroying her eggs, then building a new nest with fresh bedding will often solve this problem. Another reason your hen may be in a destructive mood is because of the pecking order. Chickens are social creatures who live in groups, and just like kids at a school, there is a pecking order established among the flock. Each hen will have a different role, such as the dominant bird, the one who gets there first at the feeder, or the underlings who let the others eat first. Pecking orders are established through a series of ritualized displays and actual fights. But once the order is established, the chickens will generally follow it, and there will be less fighting. But sometimes the pecking order is disrupted. If a new bird joins the flock, a hen who was previously low on the totem pole may suddenly find herself at the top, and the former top hen may become an outcast. When this happens, the pecking order is likely to be disrupted. You may find that your hens are more aggressive towards each other. This aggression can turn into destructive behavior, such as feather pulling, cannibalism, or yes, even egg eating. If you notice that your hens are more aggressive towards each other, the best solution is to add more nesting boxes. The rule of thumb is to have one nesting box for every 3 hens, and this should help give them enough space so that no hen feels threatened while she's laying her eggs. And finally, boredom can also lead to hens pecking at their eggs. If your chickens don't have enough space to roam, or aren't getting enough enrichment activities, they may turn to destroying their eggs out of sheer boredom. Try giving your girls more space to explore, or adding in some toys and treats to keep them active and engaged, and you should see a decrease in egg destruction. That about wraps it up for this video. If you have any other questions about your feathered friends, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. We'll do our best to answer them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.